How to install Shelly Plug S. Let's get started. This is a short unboxing of Shelly Plug S. On the box, you can find the technical specifications and QR codes for the application. What you may find in the box when you are opening it for the first time? You will find the device and a user guide, which will help you to install Shelly Plug S. For powering is necessary just to put it in a socket. The reset button is also an indicator if the relay inside is in on or off position. The next step is to add the device to your local network and to start using it with the Shelly Cloud app. The device is creating an access point to which you should connect. After that, open the browser on your smartphone and open the local interface of this device by accessing the following address: 192.168.33.1. Go to Internet and Security and click on Wi-Fi Client Mode. There you must enter the name, SSID, and password for your Wi-Fi network. You can add them by DHCP or with static IP out of the DHCP range. When you type them, press save and you will receive a confirmation. Now the device will try to connect to the network, which you filled in the Internet and Security settings. Go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone and connect to your home network. Open the Shelly Cloud application and in 30 seconds you will see the room discovered devices. Open it and you will see your Shelly with its ID. Press on click to add and type a name, select a room and a picture/icon, then press save device. The device is successfully added to your account and to the cloud. You can freely start using it and automate your sockets. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Shelly devices.